Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you emotion series. And for that, the emotion I've picked up today is depression. So first things first is the priming of the skin. For that, the Cetaphil Ultra Hydration Lotion, I'm using it on my face and just mixing it down and melting the product down, so that because I have a real dry skin, so that my skin is nicely prepped for the next makeup which is coming up. Now for neck, I'm using the Vaseline Cocoa Butter because I'm gonna go through my neck for the makeup, so my neck and my collarbones has to be moisturized. Now next is sunscreen. So for that, I'm using the Neutrogena sunscreen Day Lock, and now the lip balm, because lips are a must. So I'm just using a very thick layer of lip balm so that my lips just drank all the moisturization a lip balm has. And now moving towards the primer. For primer, I'm using the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer, and it is a silicone based primer, so I'm just taking a pea size amount and just warming up into my skin and pushing it down into my skin so that it makes a really plain canvas for me to play with colors. Just pushing it down really well. And now after letting it sit for a few minutes, I'm taking a white liner from Glam 21 and just dividing my face into two parts. And one side I will be showing the soul of a depressed person, and other side that he or she shows to the world. So now I'm first starting out with the soul side, and I'm carving out my eyes and making some outlines, so that I'm gonna be making bruises to that particular area, just having very rough drawings to the face so that it gives me a really parameter to work with colors on them. So I'm just making some rough outlines. You don't have to be very precise with the lines. Now I'm taking the Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette, and for this look I've choose this palette, and I think that it would work great to me. Now I'm taking a pointed brush, and this brown shade color over here, I'm just drawing a brown, like just outlining the white liner with my brush, so that I'm going to be intensifying my eyes with that. Now taking a thicker bullet brush, I'm taking a little lighter shade and just patting it into my skin to make my dark circles look more intense and more deepened. Like you can see, compare both the eye, that how big the left eye looks and how normal the right eye looks. So yeah. Now again taking that more color and just deepening the effect of that. Now I'm taking a blending brush and just melting all the colors into my skin, that looks very natural, and you can see that the dark circles on both the eye looks very much good. Now taking this burnt orange shade right here, I'm just carving it out inside, a little inside the brown color that I've placed, and just warming it down, so that because I'm gonna be making this in a bruised eyes, so for that I'm just using the color similar to that and just melting it all down to my skin, which makes it look more natural. Now taking this black shade over here, I'm just gonna place it with a crease brush and all over my lid, so that it looks that my eye like somebody has beaten me up, and I'm gonna make it look intense, just using it onto my lid and lower lash line and covering it all my natural dark circles with the black color. And blending is the game. Blending, the more you blend, the more natural it looks. So now taking this purple shade over here, I'm just intensifying my bruise and using it to the end of my black color, and now just making it look more intense. And as you can see that it already look more intense. The purple has mixed up a very good shade. So my idea behind is that I'm making the soul look like so much bruised and beaten up, because I really want to show that people, if you neglect people, and if you don't accept the way they are, and you just keep neglecting, boycotting and rejecting them, this is somehow the bruises that your words give to someone's soul. And that is why you should never speak bad words to anyone, or just accept them the way they are, because even your small word can actually turn them into the worst nightmares of them. So you have to be really, really like kind and humble to everybody. I'm just repeating the technique all over my face. I'm making a bruise on my forehead as well, that I've hidden my head on the wall kind of stuff. So I'm taking the black shade again and just marking up my bruise. And this is the lesson that I want to express through makeup, because I think makeup is not just painting your face and making yourself beautiful, but it actually can be used to express your emotions and a lot more thing. And that's why I've tried to give a tribute to the people who are actually suffering from them. And as we all know, the year which we are all going through, and how bad and how cruel this year is being to every humankind, and we all wish that the next year comes with so much bloom and so much happiness. Now again coming to my cheek, doing the same thing, just using some more different color and adding depth to my bruises and to my marks. And I'm going to be doing same to the outer corner of my nose and outer corner of my mouth as well. I really don't want to explain the technique of my makeup, because you can see the products are listed down below, the method you are seeing, but I really wanted to give a voiceover to the definition that depression is not a joke, it's not a small thing, because it doesn't matter if you are in depression for 1 month or for 1 year. Both the person would experience the same kind of pain, the same kind of restlessness, hopelessness, and a lot more things. So I think people should start accepting more and neglecting less, because this would help the people to grow. And I think this, at least after getting a lesson from 2020, I think this is the agenda that people should actually pick up, that accepting the humankind, because when the god were making them, they didn't have a choice. They wouldn't given options to get a beautiful skin color or beautiful eyes, beautiful body or something else. It's just all natural. I'm just making another bruise onto my collarbone. I know not a lot of people show their real side, but I'm actually making you see that this is how a person's look from inside when you give such a depression to them. Now I'm using very minimal makeup on this side. I'm using the Fit Me Matte Poreless in 330 and Maybelline Superstay foundation, 24-hour full coverage foundation in 128 warm nude, and just doing a really sheer coverage makeup over here. Not going too loud, because I want to highlight my left side more rather than the right side. So I'm just going on with simpler. Doing my brows and taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal in medium base, just highlighting my normal areas, and taking a concealer brush and just blending all the things up. Guys, I hope you like my idea behind this that I'm trying to do, and I'm coming up with more the emotions. I have a full series and scripted down below, because I'm gonna be posting these emotions every weekend and express the feeling that a person can't. And this is the complete look that I came up with. If you like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel if you want more tutorials to come up, and do let me know what you like about this video. And bye bye, take care till then.